Stop. See, in that case, as now woman now nine the toast man. Imagine for club now, begin the play. Now me go there for man for club now.
Now him be the girl.
What is it?
No.
Can somebody?
Not with this kind of voice you go get now.
Okay.
You get your normal voice.
What is it? Can somebody rest? I'm not agreeing. No.
Come, sweetheart.
Then I'm not going to give you back.
I say, give it to me. So you forgot to give me.
Anyone, welcome back on Something Nice Show. Today, in fact, now play today, it be for now. Now get today. We said today we're not going to discuss plenty things. Now get today. So, Joseph, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I do.
How today?
Thank God.
Joseph, you don't marry?
No.
Joseph, imagine saying a woman they propose to man. Now woman they carry tubers of yam go house. How you go feel about the matter? You go like him or not?
No. It don't make sense at all.
Why? No, why you say it don't make sense?
They do it for India.
No, a man need to lead now.
A man need to lead.
Yeah.
Okay, so now man. But you know say now because of say it starts like that. Now make can be like that. It don't mean say other people not there. Okay. Again. Hello?
Hello, are
You dey shop?
Who they? Where you there? You there be a palo?
For which?
Who be that person when they talk for back? I be the inside boss.
Yeah.
So why you not go agree for the matter? Hey,
But suppose you follow woman, you care as you go follow woman. You follow woman 5 years, 6 years, you never propose. The woman go say, okay, make her yours come propose. How it go be? You go say no to a person where you don't follow and say for 5, 6 years. You not go make any difference now.
I know somebody. All of us know the person.
When you waiting?
Now the girl, in fact, the girl don't come this show. The boy self don't come this show. Then two now go so marry. And where did they marry self? Not even for inside Nigeria said they want go marry. You don't know where they want go marry? For Tanzania.
Oh, Zanzibar.
Now say, hey, thank you. Zanzibar, another place they go to their wedding. Now, this girl, if you see the girl, fine, color TV. Mami water, now the girl be. Now the girl, now she go meet the guy.
Say, excuse me. Excuse me, brother.
Give me your number.
I like your style.
Give me your pin. I like your style. I like your baby. You are dirty, but I like you. Give me.
So, the guy come from small.
The guy come from small saying, I'm going to think about it. Like me now, Uzo. You know, say now Uzo toast me. But you know, say my wife not toast me.
You know, photo. After your wife, toast me.
From that good evening.
Very fine color TV, somebody.
Hello.
When they do, they follow and be like fly.
Hello. Hey, GK.
Brother.
Leave him. So 2 weeks. I the talk now Uzo come with me say hello.
Yeah.
And I can't the form because she be bad person. Make person give her my pin. So the person tell me say somebody wants to collect your pin. Now I say for what? Why would they collect my pin? Do I know the person? Can I see the person? Can I see the person's picture? They can send me a picture and I can say okay, no problem. I can give her my pin. Can't give her my pin. Now she can't toast me. Toast me say what can we do? I say okay, give me 2 weeks. Let me give me 2 weeks. Let me think about it.
So you yourself can't think about it?
No, after I can't reason, I can't think. I say okay. Let me see. I can't agree. I can't agree for her. But anyway,
what you come make you agree for her after that 2 weeks?
Now what for you? It's a family issue. In case you just join us for the next show for today, what we discuss today now? Say, imagine, just imagine. From Warri, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I didn't find no order.
You don't marry?
No, I never marry.
Imagine, but you get girlfriend?
Huh?
You get girlfriend?
I get.
Why you think I mean, I'm one friend you get.
I mean, I'm more than one girlfriend.
I lie.
You lie.
Okay, how many girlfriends you get?
My brother, now this year I come start to the verse. The many.
Okay.
Why you could do that kind
My
of thing?
brother, God will judge you. Okay, now.
No, now the first do me. Now the first do me.
The first do you can't do back
so
now.
now do me, I do you.
I sent a girl for a very long time.
Okay.
We did together.
Yeah.
With the plan, okay, we'll go do one by December.
Yes.
Could you believe that just 2 days to X-Man,
Yes.
I discovered that she did marry about 2 days from that day.
Hey!
And we dated for almost 11 years.
Why you say? Why you go follow woman? 11 years.
11 years.
Go follow
What
woman
did you
11
be?
years?
What did you do for 11 years?
I don't know.
No. We
Only wife you agree.
Now school now. Now school matter.
Which course did they do 11 years for school?
I don't know.
No, we started from school.
Which school? University?
Secondary school.
From university.
For 11 years.
And you know, in our freestyle now, we graduate together.
Okay.
For service together, just like that.
My brother, you say you wicked. My brother,
when we
wait. Stanley, you are wicked. Why you go do, una start for university? Imagine it's okay, 4 years. What did you do the remaining 7 years?
I don't know.
You made the get old.
Money not go come first.
Money go come now.
Money go come. But you go first marry him.
11 years.
Not be money that go take do one.
Okay, leave that part. Okay. Leave that part. The guy don't see person who get money now. Don't leave you now. Now you not leave.
Not be full money, sir.
Waiting be the thing.
I'm not going to for her.
Come true, my brother.
Anyway, Stanley, imagine say the girlfriend where you get now, na him go carry list, go for your family, na him go need down propose give you, na so it's supposed to be. How you go feel about the matter? You go like him or not?
The thing is, it's not good though.
Why you not good?
Not good?
I'm not going to like him. No, although, they feel they drop for other civilized places. Our country not go.
Anyways, Stanley, thank you. Chime is here from Lagos. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How you doing, my brother?
I didn't okay.
You don't marry?
I don't marry.
Now, Chime is your wife when you marry. Imagine saying that your wife now carry wine. Alamo bitters.
Yam and everything.
Yam and everything. Go ask for your hand in marriage. How you go see him?
If you happen like that, they say, what I go do, they use me to do
They go use you to do why?
I tell you, woman government together, they are what they do.
You say woman government?
Woman government not make sense, Abi?
I tell you, they put me there. I don't know where they put me. I don't know where.
All right, thank you very much, Chimeze. HK from Nasarawa, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. HK, you don't marriage? Okay.
Good evening. Well, I dealt with the idea.
Okay.
You there with who?
I never married, just preparing to.
What do you come to talk?
I prepare to.
Oh, you dey prepare to. You don't need down tell the girl make she marry you, Abi?
No.
Oh, Jesus
But if you get away, where the fuck up, sha, but they work on that.
Okay, imagine now, this is what they talk about today. Now, imagine saying a woman and they propose to man, they carry bride price, go pay for man. How you go feel about the matter?
My sister, that one, you know work at all.
You know work, why?
You know work, you know go round.
You not go do it.
You know go round at all.
You not go rhyme. Why you feel say you not go rhyme?
The reason why I say you know go round, you say, but just the bad thing I say, just carry this thing. You think how you go to explain and say you want to come marry woman, you know say.
You go say you see Rocco tree for your family house now.
You black, I be you yellow.
I know they're too black, I know they're too yellow.
So you don't bleach?
Bye, AGK. Chris from Ogun State, good evening. Hello, Chris.
Hello?
Good evening, Chris. How you doing?
Hello?
Hello?
Christy.
Are there two from the program?
Okay.
Get it.
Hello?
Hey, give up a hello.
Is the program over?
Okay.
What kind of English you are speaking like this? You are on the program, night show.
Hello, I'm looking at the World Cool TV now. There are two.
Okay.
Oh,
I want to contribute to what they are discussing.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you. God bless you. Good night, Chris.
Check your next door.
Check your next door.
I do a very wrong number.
Now wrong number you call.
Yeah, me.
Now much worry be this. This is a mortuary number. You want to deposit that body?
Alfia Musa say if the woman they make more money than the man, or if the guy find like ECB, then no problem. But for me, oh no way, me. Oh Alfia na woman. Wesley Amaka say the proposal should only be made by man. Nedu, where the wine where they your back? How come when I remove him? So now why you they look since? Wesley.
We don't drink her, Wesley. And then wait again.
Charles Okbara say if Nedu for Kuro, to me I feel proposing should not be one way. The thing after all, now them two they the relationship together.
Everybody we don't cut. If you check out all the men we don't cut now, they talk say na batting. Woman government no good. He got waiting I been see one time. They say na man they provide for woman. Why it be like that? Because of say the only time where woman provide for man. Now how like cause God pursue them for get But it not mean say woman and man with the relationship, say man nothing need that take propose. I don't hear stories. I never see, but I don't hear stories when they say men propose. I say man. Woman
they propose to man.
Propose.
And no be big deal.
You understand?
But for here, you know say with society, they
society, nothing. Mrs. Senamani, good evening, Biko.
Hello, good evening, Edu.
Madam, good evening, Biko.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Thank you.
Thank you.
I like your show.
Thank you. We like you too. Thank you.
Thank you, Nedu and Kati.
Thank you. Thank God. Don't mention.
This is my question this evening. You gotta wait you.
Imagine saying that you pay bride price for your husband.
It goes sweet now.
You go like him or you not go like him?
Now for our son, abomination, no good.
If to say Lord, now.
No, okay. Imagine now. Now, true. When they say, what if it change? Now, when they talk, not be saying now so it's supposed to be. If to say Lord, they grant now, they say okay. Not be only woman will they pay bride price. Not be only man will they pay bride price.
You know, say new dispensation safe they come.
You know, say before trousers na bad thing, but now your grandma go tell you say, nah, you're not wearing trousers. You don't know what the in thing. Oh, you don't cut them.
But not true now.
Imagine now.
Before na trouser, you know if I fit wear trouser.
Okay, but wait. You know so we never ask.
No, you talk and say for Kaduna they clap.
Breathe the window. Easy be talk true. For this matter, reason now. How you go see am?
If you say make woman propose.
Now.
Since na law. Since na law talk and say make woman propose. Everybody go chill now.
Wait. Before they chill, I don't go from Lagos. Good evening.
You could enter something.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening, my brother.
Good evening, let's go.
Hey, how you there?
How you there,
Let's go, I hear you.
Hey, I hear you. How you there today?
Before I contribute, I want to do something before I contribute.
Okay, ask me.
This bed way they way like that. She don't marry.
This one, Katim.
Catherine way she don't marry.
You want marry am?
I want to.
Ah, no problem. Tomorrow, make you okay. You there Lagos now? Make you come 2678 at Mian Crescent for VI. When you come, then they say they look for Nedu or...
She don't marry.
Wait now.
Nedu talk to you. You know they agree. Brother, calm down.
Relax. Talk. Say you come.
Because I know that she don't marry before I would do.
That's why you never marry. Now this thing not make you never marry. You know they have. You not go here now.
I enjoy you. Don't be small.
My boy, you enjoy me.
I know they need some. Enter with the news. I know they need.
No, enjoy the news. Hey.
Adiogu, thank you. Adiogu, but make I ask you. Adiogu, you see this guy never married. You see
Honestly.
Okay.
When you read news, okay, let's go to the topic now. but you never answer my question, no. She don't marry.
Go back again.
You constantly go back again. Okay, answer the question first of all. If na woman they pay bride price, woman and they propose, what do you go feel about the matter?
You know, there are two ways.
Okay.
Like for India now, woman they propose.
Of course.
If they change our law, say that woman will propose, nothing bad. But if they change the law, it's bad.
Okay, if not the law, it's bad.
Like for India now, woman they propose, that's their law.
Yes.
For Nigeria, a man they propose. So if they do, maybe they change the constitution, say that woman will propose.
Yes.
Nothing very bad now.
Abio.
At the end of everything will be husband and wife.
Abio. Okay, if one marry Katim,
they're going to call her husband and wife. They will say wife and husband.
the Katim where you see one marry, where you want to know whether she don't marry. Come at me and Christian tomorrow.
Do be bad. They come make I know what I want to do now.
Don't worry now. Come first now. Your blood is hot.
If I come, she come marry now. What I go do? I'll come.
Oh, wait, if she don't marry, I go tell you when you come.
Nedu.
My brother, see you tomorrow. Ahmed, good evening.
I don't know.
Ahmed, TV, they too loud.
Good evening.
Ahmed, your TV, they too loud.
I'm calling for Kwara.
Ahmed, first reduce the volume of your television.
Okay, I dey hear now,
How now? Hello?
Hello, I'm hearing.
So if now if they do law saying a woman could propose, how you feel about them? You go like them or you no go like them?
I go like him.
Why? You don't marry?
Me, I never marry you. I still dey propose.
You what? What do they do?
Me? Adi.
What do they do?
Adi broadcaster.
Like this.
My brother, I'm not so you take me presenter.
Thank
Thank you, bye-bye. He came from Jos. Good evening. This guy is confused. You say we do it in?
I said we just be fine.
My sister,
it's our talent.
Now, so the time that they talk, now serious matter.
Oh.
Say now me go pay my husband down river. So what will happen?
Yes.
I go they go look for money, go they wash plates, they change diaper, they clean house, they go pay a meeting for church.
As now you pay. Easy. As now you they pay bride price. Easy.
Now you gonna change diaper before you come back from work. You go down cook food.
Yeah.
You go down tell you.
Now you go enter bedroom.
Now you talk. Now you go enter bedroom. They say, "Baby, I'm waiting for you."
That kind of thing.
All right, you can. Thank you. Uchenna from Benin. Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I'm okay.
You don't marry?
I don't marry.
Okay, now, Uchenna, imagine saying your wife now pay your bride price. Now tell you say make you marry him. How you go feel about the matter?
My brother, what did you say? I don't marry.
Okay. Abio. Hello?
TV, the echo back.
Your TV, they too loud.
My brother, what did you say?
You see?
I no go give my wife pay my bride price. Yeah?
You know, Kokri, make she pay your bride price.
I don't know. My wife pay my bride price. Yeah? I no go get level for that house again.
Get level.
I no get level for that house again.
You're not going to talk anything.
Not to talk anything.
So, now your fear be that.
Even like say you control your wife too much. Now you make you not go. Now you make her vex you. Anyway, Uchenna, thank you very much. I go talk something.
You know, as
I go talk.
Neru, you know notice.
He say,
he say, Neru, I know get level.
But wait, you see, people before we go break, people know they understand this thing. You know, say plenty marriages these days where we day. It gets some marriages where I know you know the person, now in sister. Now the sister now carry the whole money, the bride price money, everything give the guy. Make the guy go pay for her. That one now who pay?
Now the woman pay now.
So not be say whether na law, whether they imagine or you know they imagine, it dey happen.
No, Nedu talk true.
It dey happen.
It dey happen every day. Now cover, we dey cover ourselves.
Plenty women, plenty ladies now they cover themselves. I know plenty ladies when they be saying then gather almost all the money can they give their boyfriend. Make it not be like say the guy not get money.
May not fall in hand.
So if they come out, he go count money, keep the one, make it put for pocket. So making they buy things.
Before we go break, I beg, follow the shot from Makodi. Good evening.
But why now?
Good evening, Nedu.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I dey fine.
I beg this matter what we discuss. How you see him?
Yeah, how are you, Nedu?
Okay.
I don't answer fine now.
Please, I just want to contribute concerning this show.
Oh, yeah, contribute.
The issue of the woman married man.
Yes.
I believe that. Hello.
Yes, we dey hear you.
I believe that is something that be practicing in the north. because if you look at what is happening in the north now,
Yes.
understand, you find that it's the woman that will buy everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Buying the television, buying the
Television.
the bed, buying everything. And one day I was surprised when I escort one of my friends to a what they call it. They call it
Nekai.
is it by what they normally do? This bride price.
Okay.
And I discovered that the woman was the one that brought all these property instead of the man.
You see how?
And if they legalize it now, understand?
Yes.
I believe that it is the same thing. It's just that the man, the woman, understand, we take charge of the woman.
Okay.
And the everything that the woman supposed to, the man supposed to do, the woman will be doing it.
All right. Follow thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So that's what they do for up north.
No, they something like that.
So television, they list.
Now me say, if Easy Bit go give list,
So absent.
he go give lift to Absat.
No.
Anyway, when they come back, we'll go small chicken break. When we come back, we'll continue it. Still on top of this topic we discuss.
Easy could put in this in mixer.
Turntable.
Turntable. Television. Sound system.
Sound system.